name is Alain Grandjean and I'm the founder and the CEO of two companies here. One is Link to Concept and the other one, which is Factory Unit. L2 Concept is involved in design and 3D modelization, engineering, conceptions. And the other one, Factory Unit, which is actually using the data from L2 Concept and we are producing parts. So we are going from virtual to reality. We are mainly involved in making what we call concept cars. We work closely with Lexus and Toyota, and we are also working for nautical industry. We recently built some submarines for American company. So we are doing everything from scratch, design and 3D modelization, and then we produce parts, making molds and making all the composites under vacuum and infusion techniques. L2 Concept was created in 2011. After a couple of years, the customer asked us to start and to be involved in making product. So we decided to start a factory unit. We start from scratch with an empty building. Now we are having a nice facility with milling machine, with a composite facility, painting booth, a secure studio. We have more than 20 people working full time. We recently, this year, decided to invest in the 5-axis milling equipment, so we chose to go with Biesse, Italian company, worldwide, and making a high-quality product, and we're very happy with that. We're working for design people, so we are supposed to do the best. Whatever we are doing, it must be the best. We cannot afford to have any defect, or it's perfect. If it's not, we keep going and rebuild until we reach the point that it's perfect. It's precision, quality, in time and in following the budget. Everything is a key element. The main problem we have on concept car project or advanced concept project is a time issue. So we need to be very reactive. So having 5-axis milling capacity inside the companies give us a big advantage in terms of reactivity. We're able to make parts or models right away. We are not depending on outside sourcing. That gives us an advantage on reactivity and of course cost reduction because we control everything inside. So we are milling a lot of different materials. Of course it's always soft, what we call soft material like clay. We are also milling polystyrene. We are milling a lot of different variety of density on foam. We're doing some molding board as well, and sometimes we're also doing some composites. Materia MR, which is a 5-axis milling machine, very high dimension capacity. I think we are able to mill up to 7.5 meters in X, 4 meters in Y, and 2.5 meters in Z. So it's a very big equipment. We're quite happy with that. Everything is going smoothly. We're happy with the quality, and it works perfectly well. So no remark on this direction. It's perfect.